Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey Labos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Divaswigs. Shout out to you Divaswigs for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. As you guys can see, this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this is a kinky straight wig. It is 24 inches long and 150% density. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch and I will see you Lovebugs in the outro. Bye!
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days.
details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Divaswigs. Shout out to you, Divaswigs, for sending me this unit. And I want to stress the Divas because there are two different companies. There are Divaswigs and then there's Divaswigs. And I had been just saying Divawigs, Divawigs, Divawigs. And they was like, hold on, sis, you know, there's an S at the end of this. So, Divaswigs. Shout out to you, Divaswigs. Okay, so they always give me this little thing that has the information about the hair on it, and I love that about this company. Like, I love that. You guys know I'm a Virgo, so I love, you know, for stuff to be together, okay? But anyways, so the unit, I'm just going to read the stuff that they have on here, and then I'm going to go on their site so I can tell you guys the stuff that they have on their site, which is what you will see. So my particular unit, it says hair length 24 inches, the density 150. Child, it's 150. Child, it's 150%. Child. Anyways, hair color available in natural black, bleached knots, camo knots. I'll talk more about that later. Hairline, upgraded realistic hairline, lace tight, super fine invisible Swiss lace, lace color, transparent lace suitable for all skin tones, cap construction, 6-inch parting space, lace front, glueless cap. So those are the details and specs on this unit that I am wearing, like this unit. So let me go on the site and I can tell you guys what they have on here. So when you click on the site, on the link that I will have down below in the description box, it says super fine, HD, invisible, undetectable, seamless, swish, transparent lace wig, relaxed 4B to 4C kinky straight human hair lace front wig in the style LIYA. Oh, I like that, LIYA. So they said hair length 10 to 24 inches. So this unit is available in 10 to 24 inches. The density is 100, and they have 130, 150, and 180. Child, I would love to see that 180 because it has to be a lot, girl, okay? A lot. Okay, hair color available in natural black. The bleached knots are camo knots. Hairline, upgraded realistic hairline, super fine, lace tight, super fine Swiss lace. Everything else is basically what I said a little while ago. Okay, so let me talk about these camo knots, honey. Okay, so I don't know, I need to have a picture up. I'm gonna have a picture up so you guys can kind of see. Y'all, the doggone lace on this wig, I don't know if you can tell, but there's lace right here, okay? There's lace right there. But when I was first like laying down the unit, I didn't have in my contacts, child. I could not find the doggone lace. I'm like, where is it? Where is she? Like, I kid you not. So when they call them camo knots, it's kind of like camouflage, you know, like camo pants or whatever, camouflage. And they ain't lying, honey, because your girl could not find the lace. Can you find the lace? Can you find the lace, honey? Okay, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So yeah, that's why they call it the camo knots. Now with this wig, as far as shedding and tangling, I know you guys probably saw like a little piece of hair hanging on this side. That was because I had the hair pinned up, because you guys know I do the pin curl thing, and I had cut around my ear. I have very, 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 very large ears, y'all. Like, can you see it? Okay, I have very large ears, so I always have to end up cutting hair when I cut around my ears because my ears are so big. So I ended up cutting the hair, and it was still attached to my little pin curl, and I didn't want to take my pin out, okay, because I was like, that's gonna mess up my curl, so I'm just gonna leave it hanging. But as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I have not noticed any. Like, this unit is true kinky straight thick hair, okay, and I didn't notice any shedding or tangling with this wig straight out of the packaging. Not saying at some point it won't, but straight out of the packaging, honey, old girl did not, okay? Old girl did not do none of the things. So yeah, as far as big head friendliness, because I want to make sure, let me make sure this unit, you can't get it in another size. You can. So their cap sizes come in petite and average, and I'm guessing it comes in petite and average because the average can also fit a large head. Okay, so if you got a guada head, you can still get this unit and be fine, honey. Okay, so no worries for my guada head chicks, honey. I'm from a guada head family. Okay, I have literally the smallest pea heads in my family and the largest heads in my family. Okay, so trust me, honey, you can make this unit work if you have an average cap size. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in a length check, how I feel about this unit, what I did to it, all of that, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, did you even have to Like, did you even wonder? Did you even get to this part of the video? Like, girl, I love this unit. I love a good kinky straight wig, and I especially love one when I curl them up. It's just something about curling these type of wigs that just does it for your girl. Okay, it just does. Like, I don't know, I just love it. I love how natural it looks. It always reminds me of when my cousin Ashley Wan curls her real hair, because she has a big fro, honey. Okay, she has a big fro. And even my grandmother's hair is very, very similar to this and very similar to Ashley's hair. Check out my little cousin Ashley's channel, because she does do like natural hair, wand curls and all that stuff. And her hair is really, really similar to this. And I guess that's why I really gravitate towards it, because I just love it. It just look like home, honey. It just look like family. It just look good and natural, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I love this unit. I love the wand curls in it. I just think it looks gorgeous. It's super, super thick. For it to be only 150% density, child, I would hate to see the 180, okay? Like, the 180 has to be out of this world. Now, as far as what I did to this wig, I literally only sprayed it. I was spraying my wig spray and then it fell and now I can't find the top. So I ended up spraying oil sheen and just wand curling it and using pin curls to keep the wand curls. I did this all in a matter of an hour or two, and then slapped old girl on, honey. Okay, I'm out of my wax stick, so I have been having to use my my argan mousse to kind of lay things down, and I feel like it did the trick. And child, I have finally stopped being completely terrified of my hot comb and actually combing it instead of scraping it, which was always a thing with me because I was terrified. I was never somebody that got their hair hot combed when I was little. My grandma slapped a perm in old girl head, okay? So I am terrified of hot combs, but I'm getting over that fear, you know, as time progresses. But yeah, so it really just kind of melted it and gave it the look that I wanted. I only did baby hairs here and here because I honestly didn't feel like the unit needed baby hairs, but I wanted to throw some in there because I'm just that girl. Judge me not, honey. So yeah, I did, but yeah, I don't feel like this particular unit needs it. Now, I did tweeze the baby hairs, but I didn't tweeze the actual unit, the hairline at all, because it really did not need it. In my opinion, you can tweeze it more if you like, but to me, the hairline looks decent. And yeah, just overall, I love this unit. I just think it's a really, really, really nice unit. You know, Kinky is my favorite texture because I feel like they look the most natural. And Divaswigs can do a kinky wig, girl. Okay, they can do a kinky wig, honey. So yeah, I am feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe to me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Now, you can obviously wear this unit straight if you want to. And because it is, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 13x4 frontal, you can, you know, you have this amount of space right up in here to wear it up. You can just wear it all up if you want to, child, because it is ear to ear. But this is the part that you have right here to like part where you want to. So yeah, I am feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe to me. Let me know if it's a look and it's a vibe to you, honey, down below. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is the unit in the back. And I curled it, so I'm not sure if you can tell the length. You probably can. Think about it straight. Let me see. So this is where it would come if I kept it straight. And it is 24 inches. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I am definitely feeling this unit. I don't know if you guys can see the crinkles. I always like to have the crinkles in my kinky units. And I did another video, and I don't think just because I didn't do my hair like that in the light, they couldn't see the crinkles, and they was like, oh, most kinky units have crinkles in it. This one does have the little crinkles in it. I am a fan of those. I know some people love them, some people hate them. It's one of those things. I am one of those people that love them. So yeah, it does have those in it. So keep that in mind whether you are for or against them. If you are into this wig and you want this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm HealthyMissy on Snapchat. DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?